Hi everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Learner. In this video, you're going to discover the fascinating world of interrogative, questioning, and asking words in English. These are the words we use to ask questions, and they help us gather information about the world around us. Let's explore them one by one. First up is how. We use how to ask about the manner, condition, or degree of something. For example, how are you today? How does this work? How much does it cost? How helps us understand the way things are done or the state of something. Next, we have what. What is used to ask about specific information or to identify something. Examples are, what is your name? What time is it? What did you do yesterday? What is perfect for gathering details and specifics. The interrogative word why. Why helps us understand reasons and causes. We use why when we want to know the reason behind something. For instance, why are you late? Why did you choose this book? Why is the sky blue? Why gets to the heart of the matter. The questioning word where is all about location. We use where to ask about places. Examples are, where do you live? Where is the nearest store? Where did you go on vacation? Where helps us find out locations and destinations. The interrogative when deals with time. We use when to ask about moments in time. For example, when is your birthday? When does the movie start? When did you arrive? When helps us understand timing and schedules. The next questioning word which is used when we need to choose between options. For instance, which color do you prefer? Which route should we take? Which book do you want to read? Which helps us make decisions. The interrogatives who and whom are about people. Who is used to ask about the subject, while whom is used for the object of the sentence. Examples are, who is calling? Who made this cake? Whom did you invite to the party? Whom are you talking about? Who and whom help us learn about people. Questioning words, will and would, help us talk about future events and hypothetical situations. Examples are, will you help me? Will it rain tomorrow? Would you like some tea? Would you go if you had the chance? Will is for the future, and would is for hypotheticals, meaning involving or being based on a suggested idea or theory. The be verbs. Is, am, are used for present tense questions. For example, is she coming? Am I invited? Are they ready? These words help us ask about current situations. The words have, has, and had deal with asking about possession and past actions. For instance, have you seen this movie? Has she arrived? Had they finished before you called? These words help us ask about experiences and past events. The interrogatives do, does, and did are used to ask about actions. Examples are, do you like pizza? Does he know the answer? Did you go to the party? These words help us inquire about actions and habits. The questioning words can, could, may, shall, and should help us ask about possibilities, permissions, and suggestions. For instance, can you help me? Could you open the window? May I come in? Shall we dance? Should we start now? These words help us explore options and permissions. And there you have it. These are the key interrogative words in English that help us ask all sorts of questions. Understanding how to use them will make your conversations much more effective and interesting. See you next time.